Hello. Hello again, guys. So here we are again with the question, what are literary genres? Well, there are five main genres of literature. There are five main genres of literature. First, let us know what is literary genres. Literary genres refers specifically to books and writing as opposed to the other types of media, such as movies. Many bookstores enlarge quantities of books according to literary genres, such as classics, mysteries, and fantasy, poetry, fiction, non-fiction, drama, and prose. The five main genres of literature are the... Hello. Hello again, guys. So here we are again with the question, what are literary genres? Well, there are five main genres of literature. There are five main genres of literature. First, let us know what is literary genres. Literary genres refers specifically to books and writing as opposed to the other types of media, such as movies. Many bookstores enlarge quantities of books according to literary genres, such as classics, mysteries, and fantasy, poetry, fiction, non-fiction, drama, and prose. The five main genres of literature are the...
Poetry is structured in lines and stanzas and often employed with rhymes, meter, and various statistic devices such as metaphor and simile. Poetry has also different kinds or types. The first one is the epic. Epic are long verse narratives retelling the heroic journey of an individual or group of individuals. An epic typically features superhuman feats, extraordinary adventures, highly stylized language, and a combination of lyrical and dramatic elements. The second one is narrative. A narrative poem tells a story through poetic techniques such as rhyme, rhythm, similes, and metaphors. The third one is the lyric. Lyric poems are short, highly musical verses that expresses powerful emotions, as lyric poem is a personal expression of emotion written by a single person. Lastly, the dramatic poetry. Dramatic poetry is a poetry that's written in verse for public recitation or performance. The purpose of dramatic poetry is often to express one's thoughts about to another actor, oneself, or an audience.
So the second literary genre is fiction. Fiction is a deliberately fabricated account of something. It can also be a literary work based on imagination rather than on fact, like a novel or short story. So when we say fiction, it is made up of imaginative story, which includes the elements of the story, such as characters, settings, and plot. So I have here five kinds of fiction. So the first kind of fiction is mystery. What is mystery? A mystery provides readers with plot, explore mysteries from beginning to end. One of the main characters in the mystery is typically a detective investigator who solves the mystery with the reader. So one of the examples of this is Detective Conan and Sherlock Holmes. So the second one is fantasy. What is fantasy? A fantasy is a mythology and ancient folklore or something sources of inspiration for fantasy novels. Fantasy novels usually depict imaginary setting, beings, and universes that are non-existent in the real world. One of the examples of this is Superman, Cinderella, and Harry Potter. One is horror. Horror, the primary goal of the horror fiction is to shock and frighten readers or viewers. A horror story involves characters, settings, and plot that creates suspense and tension of the readers. Example of these are The Monster House and The Corpse. The fourth one is fable. Fables typically teach moral lessons to the reader or illustrate a moral dilemma that the protagonist overcomes. An author may use inanimate objects or animals as protagonists who act like humans to resolve conflict in a manner that demonstrate character development. One of the examples of these are the monkey and the turtle, and the ants and the grasshoppers. And the last one is mythology. What is mythology? The mythology genre reveals elements of human behavior through the use of symbols. The mythology includes the themes such as gods and goddesses and cultural phenomena. One of the examples of this, Medusa and the Trojan War.
Non-fiction writing aims to inspire and inform the audience by using an outcome events, people, places, or facts. Before writing a non-fiction piece, the authors typically conduct an extensive research so that the audience can relate. So there are three kinds of non-fiction, which is an autobiography, biography, and an essay. So when we say autobiography, is a personal narrative of one's life in which helping an author overcome a difficult struggle, and also it can or simply conducting a story or conveying short story. So when we say biography, a biography is an account of a person's life written by someone else. So many biography features notable individuals such as celebrities, authors, athletes, business leaders, and the politician. So when we say an essay, is a short piece of writing in which the author elaborates on an idea or a topic after conducting a research. So an essay may aim to engage its readers, influence their thinking, get involved in its ideas, or persuade them to adopt the same point of view.
The third is drama. Dramas are representation of fiction that involve dialogue and performance. Dramatic literature include epic poetry, lyric poetry, and novels. The performance of a dramatic piece of literature may occur on stage in front of a live audience or through radio, film, and television. There are many sources of inspiration for drama pieces, including novel, short stories, poems, and real-life events. A drama contains dialogue, and the actor portrays the characters through their impersonation. A dramatic piece of literature contains act scenes that rely on props or imaginative dialogue to create a visual experience. I have there's a kind of drama. The kinds of drama, first is tragedy. Tragedies focus on the hardship that can cause emotional distress to the protagonist of the story. Tragedies contains details that illustrate the challenge that the protagonist experiences. So the example of this is the death of salesman in the Romeo and Juliet. Second is the comedy. Comedy is a type of drama with a humorous tone that depicts amusing events in which the character ultimately prevail. A comedy feature with a light-hearted tone, clever wordplay turned into praise, and humorous discussion of a serious topic. The third is the musical. A musical can be an original work or an adaptation of a longer. The next, melodrama are a piece of dramatic literature that depicts serious stories, or a melodrama may contain heroes, heroines, villains, or mentors with the flaws who overcome their limitations to achieve the success of a story. That's all.
The prose is a literary genre with no formal metrical structure. Instead of relying on rhythmic structure as in traditional poetry, it relies on a natural flow of speech and ordinary grammatical structure. It involves clear, concise paragraphs, that may be fiction or non-fiction. When writing a prose, writers divide a text into paragraphs and use regular grammar that can be serious or humorous.